Okay, so we're going to build a complete CRUD application from the bottom up, starting with the database. Each video on here is going to be separated into a particular part. So if this part isn't important to you, move forward. Obviously, if you want to know how the database is made, we're going to go do that now. So we're going to create a new one. Since the overwhelming vote was dogs, I'm gonna do dog DB. That's what it's gonna be called. Dog database. Apply that. Everything else is good. There we go. Now we have a dog database. I'm gonna double click it. I am now actively in this database. I'm gonna make a new SQL script. And now let's go ahead and make the table. So create table. We're going to say dogs. And inside here, we're going to have the ID, which is of type int, auto increment, primary key, and not null. Okay. Then why don't we do dname for dog name, which is varchar. Say 40 characters would be good. Oh, and also not null. It is required. They all need a name. And why don't we do age, which is type int. Also not null. And what else could we do? We can do, let's see, name, age, breed, right? Breed, varchar. I don't think we're going to get anything over 40 characters, so I say let's keep that. If that changes, of course, I'll update this. Not null. And I think that should be enough to create our table. Anything else? Name, age, breed. No, that should be good. So let's execute. Looks like it worked. So I'm going to comment that out. And let's see if it worked. Select all from dogs. Oop. There we go. And we get a table with nothing in it, but the table seems to be working, so why don't we make a few dogs here. Insert into dogs. And why don't we do it under here? What do we want? We want dname, age, and breed. And, oops. And we're going to do values, because we're going to do multiple. Why don't we do biscuit? I think that's how you spell biscuit. If not, it works. It's a dog name. Biscuit, the age of biscuit is 2. And the breed, which is a string, should be, I think, biscuit as a pit bull. I don't know why, but that just fits to me. We're going to do another one. George, like that. Age, older dog, we'll say 4. And the breed is, I'm going to say bloodhound. Why not? George is a bloodhound. We need one more. Why don't we do, cupcake. We're going to do cupcake. Cupcake is very young, only 1. And the breed is, I don't know if I'm going to spell this right, but Pomeranian. I think I spelled that right. Pomeranian. Yep. Okay. That should work for this. So let's try running that query. There it goes. We got our list. Our IDs are working correctly. We have our names, our age, and our breed. So we're going to work with this database in the next video.